Okay, today we're making garlicky eggplant with basil and jalapeños. Start with about 3 tablespoons of any vegetable oil, 3 to 4 cloves of sliced garlic, and about 2 cups of quartered baby eggplants. By baby, I mean the small ones. And then 3 jalapeños sliced. And you want this on high heat so that you get that nice stir-fry feeling. Comes out delicious. Add about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is the salt. And then about 3 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce. You can pick that up at any Asian store. You do want to taste it, so depending on the sweetness, you may need to add a little bit more sugar. I did add a little bit more sugar in this after tasting it. I added about 2 teaspoons of either brown sugar or jaggery. And of course, don't forget the really large handful of fresh basil. That adds all the flavor and the yumminess to this. So I didn't even bother chopping it up. It just wilts down like spinach and you're good to go. So definitely try this. It is very fast, comes together quickly, and is delicious. You can serve this over rice. I served it with this really thin Singapore noodles. You can serve it however you like, or just snack on it. Comes out fabulous. Top this up with either crushed peanuts or a little bit of air-fried tofu. Fabulous. Please try this recipe. And if you like it, like and subscribe.